Security advisor to the state government Kuldeep Singh on Saturday remarked that authorities and security forces have taken up several steps in the wake of reports about movement of 900 trained Kuki militants into Manipur for attacking peripheral villages, and the several hill districts have been put on high alerts. Addressing the press, Singh said a report on 900 trainee Kuki militants entering into Manipur have been circulating for the last 3 to 4 days. A strategic operation group SOG meeting was taken at Chief Secretary's Conference Hall on September 18, Singh said, adding that they deliberately talked in details, including dose of drone and rocket-based system with all the force, including IGAR South, IGAR East, GOC 57 Mountain Division, Chief BSF and CRPF Commissioner and DG Manipur Police, and all senior officers who are related with security aspect.
And aftermath of that, there has been certain law and order issues in the city. For that, the police department was holding various press releases and press conferences as and when required, incident based. But there has been a input which has been circulating since 3-4 days in national media as well as with us, with all of you also. Maybe you will be aware of this. There is an input in which approximately it is said that 900 Kuki militants have entered Manipur and they may attack any day in and around 28th of September. You must have heard about it. So the government thought it prudent that the efforts taken must be shared with all of you and through you with the general public, so that there is no confidence loss and people feel safe and have faith in the system. For this, a meeting was taken by me on 18th of September in Chief Secretary's Conference Hall, and that was the SOG meeting, that is called Strategic Operations Group meeting. In that meeting, we deliberated in details with all the force chiefs who are present here, like Assam Rifle, IGR South, IGR East, and GOC 57 Mountain Division,